Hi guys, welcome to Winny the Glue. Today's craft, we're going to be nature hunting and we're going to make a nature mobile. First up, we're going to need flowers and leaves. I love clovers. These are really beautiful. Next, you'll need a stick like this. Come on. Now that we gathered all our flowers and leaves, let's figure out what else we need. What we'll need is our flowers and leaves. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, and cookie cutters of your shape of whatever you want, and string, a rolling pin, and an oven and a granite top. Now it's time to add our soft dough ingredients to the bowl. Now let's mix it with our hands. Now it's time to roll our dough out. I don't really know how to roll. Now that our dough is rolled out, now we get to put our cookie cutters on. Now we have our dough cut out. Now we get to put our flowers and leaves on. What you do is you put them on in the press, kind of hard, but not too hard. Now that we have our plants staked on, now we get to poke holes so we can hang it on a mobile. Now that we have our holes cut out, now we get to bake them for 200 degrees for 2 hours. Now that they're baked and cooled down, now we get to assemble them. You take out your string and then cut different lengths like these. We tie these to each other before we put them on our stick. Now that we tied all of our pieces together, now we put it onto the stick. How do you guys like it? It's my mobile. Excuse me. What do you guys think of my mobile? I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! See you next time. Bye! Again.